Yo. Hopefully you guys had amazing trading week so far. Let me set up my stuff. I won't be on for too long today, just because I have you need to attend. However, I will do my analysis, and then once I do my analysis, if we can catch a trade, then yeah, that'd be amazing. So without further ado, let me just jump straight in and do my analysis, shall we? So on the monthly, we have 3 days left on the month, right? Do we have any news today? No, we have durable good orders like at 12:30, and that's about it. Alright, so pretty tame and pretty quiet kind of day. So we have the range from a new all-time high, which is our new resistance, right? 22, and our monthly support would be right around this level right here. 2060, right? 2060, 2070. So I would imagine that for this monthly candle close, we are going to close bullish for the most part, right? And if we are closing bullish for the most part, I would imagine the next monthly, depends how we open. If we come up first and broke the highs, then there's a high chance we can drop back down to test the support. However, if we come down first to create some kind of bottom wick to come up, then there's a high chance that you could come up to create a new all-time high, right? So those for the monthly analysis is pretty straightforward. This is kind of range that you create a new all-time high. Now the question is, I do not know whether this is your new all-time high, your set all-time high, or it's going to continue for the next monthly candle to come up even further. So let's come down to our weekly. So weekly close bullish, right? And this is a range that you're in right now. I would imagine that at some point you would need to create some kind of bottom wick on a weekly. However, you have the wick to fill on the weekly. So if you come down on a weekly to create some kind of bottom wick, then and once it flips, you know where it's gonna go, right? Come up and fill the rest of the wick on this weekly candle, right? So for the weekly, for the most part, we are in the range of 2180 and 2160, 2150 even. So it's pretty straightforward as well. Let's jump down into our daily close bullish, right? This is the range you're in right now, 2186, and you close bullish, right? So I would imagine at some point you are going to come up and for the rest of the wick on this candle, today candle, after a bottom wick. So question is this the bottom wick for the daily for us to wrap up? Now I do not know that this is a steep bottom wick just yet for us to wrap up. What I can say though, that at some given point we will come up and for the wick. However, if we don't, then yeah, you can take this sell down. However, there's a minor resistance right around here, so you close respecting to the resistance, right? A minor resistance within our range. So let's jump down to our small time frame and see what's up then. So for the most part, right, we have a resistance right up here. We close bearish on the 4-hour candle close. However, we coming up here. We're pushing up here. So bear in mind, at any given time, this thing can still rip down after breaking the high on the 4 hours here. So you need to be very careful when you trade the pair today, when you trade this range today. Let's jump down to a 1 hour and let's see if it's cleaner. also you have those two. What's the range between these 17 points? Okay. The ranges overall, you have a minor resistance right here. So let's see what you're going to do. What I'll say though, I'll wait for the 1 hour candle closure and go from there. However, with our current price right now, looks about good. Rejection. You see that on the 4 hours, let's see what's going on. Yeah, here's fine now. Because every time you close below, you have rejection. Every time you close below, you do tend to come down after looking at up top. What? So let me mark it out. Let's see how the 4 hours looks. Respecting here, every time it goes below here. So for the most part, I'll say yeah, if it goes below here, it'll be fine. So that's your support right here. Now I probably won't be able to look for position to hunt because I have very limited time today. However, I can show you what I think, what I would look for the next 1 hour candle closure here. Let me see. Okay. So every time you actually close above here, you have rejection here. I'm looking at every time you come down here, you close above here, you should be able to drive. I'll say close above here for the most part, because there's a minor resistance right here. In terms of ranges and what you matter, let me see. This could potentially be the matter you're doing. Like come up, come down, tap into this level, and then rock up. That's one matter I can see. Same thing here too. Come down, rock up. But I want to see how the 1 hour candle close. That's what I would do anyway. I would wait for the 1 hour candle close. Let's see. Yeah, I'll close you above 2174 here. Should get you up towards the next level, 2176 to 2178, and expect a wick fill. So you got a wick fill all the way towards here. Yeah, you have a wick fill if you do come up and break above 2178 here. I do believe that. Well, at least to the wick fill minimum though. At least to the wick fill minimum. So yeah, let's see what we do here. Minutes candle closes in 6 minutes, and looks like we are going to close bullish for the most part, right? Yeah, looks like if you were to wrap up here, you could expect like to tap 2160, 2176 minimum, because that's where you rejected the most, or even towards 2178. And understand that today daily is bullish, right? So you could expect that as a wick fill. The question is this enough of a bottom wick for us to drive up? That's the thing. That's the only part where you got to figure out whether that's that's bottom wick is steep enough for our daily to wrap up. So yeah, wait for the 30 minutes candle and 1 hour candle close here. One is closed, and then you can look for potential possession. Wow, my literally possession right on the higher 4 hour candles, huh? Yeah, it's slightly maybe a little bit sketchy, because what it does is when it happened to 2176, broke the high on the previous 4. Any given time, this 4 hour can still wrap down for the rest of the wick on this previous 4 hour candle here, so you might want to be very careful. to do drive above. Yeah, pretty clean. Because above here you just drive. Correct your pips, not bad. Let's see GJ then. Okay, close back up above the range here. So what you could look for is figure out whether this is our bottom wick. Oh yeah, you have plenty of range to follow on a wick like that, makes sense. Yeah, there's high chance you can just continue to rip up towards this resistance right here. Other 4 hour kind of looking. Break above here. You should expect for it to come all the way towards 119.09. That's what? That's 50 pips. But yeah, you could really expect GJ to honestly rip to for the rest of the week on the weekly candle. Did it get a bottom wick? It did actually get a bottom wick. Not bad. Came down, got the low on the daily. And just flipped up and closed above the range. Nice. Yeah, you see how it's pretty rough. Because at any given time, this 4 hour candle still flip and come back inside the range and flip here. Yeah, it's rough. Can't do much of that. Okay, that's a 1 hour kind of close. The close bullish, nice. Same with the 30 minutes now. Things that get a little bit tricky because the 4 hour is still bearish, right? Any given time, this thing can just come down and come back inside the range and fill the wick on the 4 hours. So you've got to be very careful what you're doing here. What I'll do though is I'll wait for a closure above 21.76, 21.74. Any other position, I don't think I have as a setup to go for. Because understand that any given time this thing can still drive down to create a smaller steeper bottom wick for the daily, right? So if you understand that, you wouldn't get FOMO seeing market moves without you. Yeah. I'm not going to take the flip here unless the 30 minutes candle actually come down and get a bottom wick on break the low on the previous candle and create a bottom wick down there, and then I will take the flip. I won't take the flip here because there's no reason for me to take the flip here, because any given time you can just continue to drive down, right? There's a 4-hour flip here. You see what I was saying? So with that being said, I'm gonna stop my stream here. I know it's a quick one, 21 minutes. However, I do apologize for coming on late, coming 7:30. But I did the analysis, and hopefully that helps with you guys trading analysis as well. Hopefully that kind of clear things up, whether what kind of position or setup you're looking for, understand that what needs to happen, and understand what is happening. So with the 4 hours you look at the 4 hours flip now, so like taking the buy would be real rough. However, if you see candle closure above 21.74, you could potentially take it, or even the 30 minutes candle here come down and create a really steep bottom wick and break the low on the previous 30 minutes. You could take the flip going up, and the flip is what, 10 pips, which is not bad. However, I'm just not comfortable taking entry looking at the 4 hours. Closing bearish for the most part. Didn't break the high though, so that's one thing. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a good rest of the trading day, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and see you guys tomorrow, right? See you later.
Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt like they know the focus up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you could fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough and this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true, I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you could fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me